Yes, we're back again. Thank you for clicking on that thumbnail and getting involved in this video. You're here for a reason, and it's because you want to find out more about the issues that people have with the wheels and tires on the Jeep Grand Cherokee. I've done it, I've been through it, it's been trialed and tested now for 12 months. I can tell you now, I'm going to take all the guesswork out for you, and I'm going to show you the do's and don'ts and some of the issues that I came across. So if you haven't seen the very first video, it'll be the link will be blah blah blah. The link will be in the description. Check it out after this video. You're not going to be disappointed. There was a lot packed into that video, and I didn't have enough time to get in depth with some of the subjects, and the first one was the wheels. Okay, so one of the questions I had was actually fairly interesting because it happened to me. So, should I get a lift first before getting the tires? And the answer is yes. See, what happened with me, I was not able to get the lift because the guys were booked out completely. So I got the tires done first just to see how it would go. And I shouldn't have done it. So it was actually very, very close to rubbing all the time. I really had to nurse it like just off full lock. It was when I found that it was starting to scrub, and with the all-terrains it can really tear that wheel well up. So best to try to get that lift first if you can. Even with that lift and these tires, I'm actually still pretty close, but I've never scrubbed after the lift. There was one question I had was, how do you find the ride now it's been lifted? And it is amazing. I was so worried. I was worried about how I'm going to spend all this money and it may not turn out to be like I want. Like, is it going to roll? Is the kids going to get sick in the back from body roll or anything like that? And it doesn't happen. It just tightens everything up. The kids don't feel it. I don't feel it. You go around corners faster, there's no body roll at all, it's all really tight. So I'm very, very, very happy with it. I can't complain at all. All right, let's go in for a closer look. All right guys, so the common questions you were asking me in that first video were, what's your tire size? What are the wheel dimensions? What's the offset? Do you get scrubbing? Do I get a lift first or tires first? So I'm going to rattle all this off for you. Okay, so let's start with the wheels. The wheels are black Rhinos. Now they are 18 by 8 with an offset of positive 30. Okay, there you have it. That's the gold. That's what everyone wants to know. So the tires I chose were the Falcon AT3Ws. Now there's a lot of all-terrain tires out there on the market, but these guys are incredible. One, they are not loud on the highway. You cannot hear them. It's not really an issue for most people, but I kind of didn't want to hear it, and I don't hear it, so I'm pretty wrapped with that. Two, in the wet. Now, that's another big question, right? Do they slide around? Nah, they don't slide. Trust me, I may have tried a little bit, and it doesn't work, so, Okay, here we go. Closer look. So we've got 18 by 8 black Rhino wheels with 265 60 18 tires. It's getting pretty close there, see that? But it's still, I've never had it rub after the lift. Inside, Old Man Emu shocks and King springs. Alright you legends, thanks again for tuning in and watching yet another video. Be sure to click the bell button because there's another video coming very shortly. I've got some partners that help me with this build of mine who are interested in getting discounts, special offers for my subscribers. So get involved. It's going to be good, it's going to be worth it, and you don't want to miss out.